Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video we are going to be doing a little mini Sephora haul. I had some errands to run after work today, and then I literally found myself inside a Sephora and they had a bunch of stuff on sale, so I just couldn't pass some of these items up, and I figured I would share with you guys what I purchased. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay you guys, we're just gonna remove the tissue paper from this. This is not a big haul at all. I only got 2, 4, 6 things, but it ended up being $120 even when it's on sale. Sephora still be hitting you right in the chest. It is so offensive. Okay, so the first thing I have here is this Way Super Dry Shampoo. Now, I got this off the clearance rack for $16.80, and I truly think the reason it was clearanced out was because like the can was kind of damaged. If you can see it, it's got like dents in it or whatever, but I don't care. I'm interested to see what it does, how it works for my hair. So apparently, based on my receipt, this normally retails for $24. You guys know when it comes to dry shampoo, I am the biggest fan of the Batiste Divine Dark Dry Shampoo, just because most other dry shampoos leave a white cast, has my hair looking gray. It doesn't really do me any good, but for like 16 bucks, especially since this is normally quite expensive, I figured I would just give it a try. I do like a few of the other Way hair products, so I figured why not? You know, it was the only one on the clearance shelf, so I said, you're coming home with mama. Speaking of dry shampoos, I picked up one of the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian dry shampoos. You guys know how much I love Sol de Janeiro. You know how much I love the original Bum Bum scent. And so when I saw this in Sephora, this was full price. This was $24 on its own. I just had to pick it up and try it. I'm interested to see how it works for me. Again, very picky with my dry shampoos, but I love that I'm hoping, I can't say that I love it because I don't know because I didn't squirt it, but I'm 99.9% sure it's gonna have that original scent to it, and I love that scent. So I'm hoping that it will work well for my hair and therefore make my hair smell fresher longer, just because my Batiste dry shampoo has no scent to it. But I'm super excited to try those out. I'm almost done with the 1 can of dry shampoo I do have, so I'm gonna try those as soon as I'm done. And hopefully soon then I'll have some updates and product empties for you guys where I can follow up on my thoughts and opinions. But if you have tried either one of those, definitely let me know what you think, especially if you are also a brunette, because I would like to know how it works for your dark hair as well. So next I picked up a pair of falsies, which I definitely did not need to pick up a pair of falsies, and you guys will find out soon enough why. But I'm currently testing out some falsies right now in a video that you will see coming up. But then I just ordered a ton of false lashes that I will showcase here on my channel as soon as they come in. So I didn't need to buy this pair, but they looked so up my alley that I couldn't say no. These are in the style I Mean, and they were on sale for I believe $12. And I was like, you know what? I'm doing it. I'm not gonna say no. I only bought one. I wanted to buy more than one, but I was like, you need to chill. It's not that deep. But these look absolutely beautiful. I love House of Lashes lashes. You guys know this. I have used them here on my channel numerous times. So I was very excited to see this in a pair that I did not have. Next, I picked up a Becca blush. This was on sale for, hold on one second, $16. I got mine in the shade Nightingale. It's funny because I didn't realize they only had 4 shades because I had the sales associate help me look at the swatches on the Sephora website because I couldn't remember what they looked like, and they didn't have any testers out of this particular product. But I remember that everyone was such a big fan of the shade Wild Honey, and I believe it was Flower Child or something. I can't even remember. And so I picked those 2 up so then I could go ask for her to show me the shades, because I didn't want to open the ones that people would be buying in the store. And when I saw all the shades swatched, I ended up putting back both of those and going with the shade Nightingale, which I will show you right here. It is this most beautiful, like plummy purple shade that's very unique to anything I currently have in my collection. And so I am super excited about this. I have heard the greatest things. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. I've heard the greatest things about these blushes, and I've never owned one. I've always wanted to, but you know, just things always come out and then things get put on the back burner. But this is stunning, and at this moment I am so happy that I decided to go with this one, because this was the one that when I first looked at it, like on the you know, display, like they have like a little almost like where the blush would sit, like it almost looks like a swatch of it, but it's not very good. And I was like, oh no, I'm definitely not interested in that. And I am so glad I I politely asked the sales associate to show me the swatch so I could see this, because that is stunning and I cannot wait to use that shade. Like, wow. And it blends out so beautifully too, so I am super pumped about that. I can't wait to use that in a makeup look. So I picked up that blush. Next, I picked up a little lipstick. I did not need another lipstick, not even close, you guys. Like, I just barely decluttered my lipsticks, which I will link that video down below for you guys. So I'm like, I don't know why I did this, but it was like $5.50. How could I say no? It is from the Too Faced Peach Perfect line. This is called Peach Kiss. It's a moisture matte longwear lipstick infused with peach and sweet fig milk. It's in the shade Where My Peach Is At. And I was like, oh my god, it just sounds adorable. I didn't have any of these from this collection. You guys know I love the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. So this is what the packaging looks like for any of you guys who have also never seen it like me. It's so stinking cute. I love that it has like the shade up there on the top and on the bottom, and I love the white and gold packaging. But you guys, look at the lipstick. Look at it. I hope you're going to be able to see the details on it, but not only does it have like a Too Faced logo there on the top, it has little peaches carved into it, and I have never seen anything more adorable in my life. I'm not gonna lie to you, part of me does not even want to swatch it. I don't want to touch it, I don't want to ruin it, but I'm going to. I didn't buy it just for it to sit here, so let's give it a little swatch real quick. Let's see what it looks like. It's like the world's worst swatch I've ever done. Wow, okay, that's really pretty. Honestly, I'm like trying to peek from back here because I didn't look at my hand. That's pretty. I actually really like it. It's very smooth, very creamy, and it does kind of smell like peaches, which I really like. Yeah, I'm excited about that. Okay, that looks really nice. It's definitely right up my alley when it comes to summertime shades. You guys know I love me a good orange. I probably did not need to spend $5 on this, but I could not spend $5 on this, if that makes any sense to you guys. I am just sad though I've started to ruin the embossing on it. You know, it's a little depressing, but I bought it to wear it, so wear it I shall. So I'm super excited about that, especially for $5. Like, say less. It looks absolutely amazing. And then the last thing I bought that I bought full price that I have been eyeballing for a while, and honestly, I walked by it and I admired it, as I do every time that I've been in there to Sephora, and I wasn't gonna get it again. I was like, no, I don't really need it, but there was one of them in stock on the shelf. And my Sephora, because my Sephora is inside of JCPenney's, was out of a ton of stuff. I mean, there were so many places on there with products just completely wiped out. And so when I saw there was just one of these left, I was like, you're coming home with mama. It's meant to be. And so what it is that I'm talking about is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. It's the all over diamond veil powder, and this is in the shade Cognac Candy. I have been eyeballing this thing for forever. It was full price, but I'm so excited because I believe it is going to be literally worth every stinking penny. This is what the outer packaging looks like. 10 out of 10 on the packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. Wait though, look at the container. Can you even breathe? Look how gorgeous that looks. It is so stinking stunning. Look at that right there. Literal liquid bronze gold. And then the swatch. It swatches so beautifully, and it's not too overpowering. It's got the most gorgeous sheen to it. Light little glitters that are not chunky. They don't feel anything on the skin. And I just cannot wait to put this on my body, to put this on my eyes. I may tap it on my cheeks. I don't know. I'm ready to use this all the way up. This has been a shade that I've been eyeballing for a while, like I mentioned, but I just was like, you know, you have body oils, you have other glitters and highlighters that you use on your skin, but I'm so glad that I picked this up because it is, I mean, it's just, oh my god, like look at it like from afar. It just is freaking beautiful. I cannot wait to use this. Anyways, you guys, that is all for this video. That is everything that I picked up on my little spur of the moment Sephora trip. I am so excited to try everything out and start playing with my new goodies. I'm really excited to test out those dry shampoos. I really hope I don't get played and just have a few weeks of like really whack looking hair, if you will. So I'm super excited. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on the things that I showed today. Have you tried any of these products? What do you think of them? And is there anything else that's coming out or is out that I really need to pick up? And I would also love to know, has there anything that you've picked up recently that you've been loving? Let me know that down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you did enjoy it, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.